Good morning, first graders. Miss Kyler here with Number Corners. Now, as always, I need for you to make a prediction on what today's calendar card will be. Okay, let's go ahead and see if your prediction was correct. Did you predict that there would be a math story on today's card? Now, let's look at this math story. Maria had some pennies. Then she got three more. Now she has 8 pennies. Let's stop there and fill in our number tree. So Maria had some pennies. That's what it says. Then she got three more pennies. Now she has 8 pennies. Let's go ahead and figure out how many did she start with? How many did she start with? Now, we have our our equal sign in the front today. Tried to trick you all. So we know that the total altogether is 8 pennies. That's how much she has now. She received three more. So let's go ahead and do 8 take away 3. So I have my 8 fingers up and there we go. And we're going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many did she start with? She started with 5. Now let's continue with the fact families for this number tree. So we know all together is 8. Let's switch and put that 5 over there, that 3 back there. So our two parts are 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8 pennies altogether. 5 pennies she started with. She was given 3 more pennies, and now she has a total of 8 pennies. So first graders, let's go ahead and say our date for today. And you know we always start with the day of the week. So let's go ahead. Today is Friday, January 8th, 2021. Let's go ahead and do that one more time. Today is Friday, January the 8th, 2021. Now let's go ahead and say our days of the week. And we always start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And we know from our calendar that today is Friday, our first Friday together in this new year. So let's read together. Yesterday was, what was yesterday? It was Thursday. Great job. Now, tomorrow will be, if today is Friday, our very first Friday together in this new year, what will tomorrow be? Saturday. Fantastic. Now we know that January is the very first month of the year, and we know that this month that we're currently in is January. So I'm going to go ahead and circle January. Now, let's go ahead and see how we write our date 2 different ways. And our first way is with our numbers. And we know that January is the first month. And we know that today is the 8th day of January. And our year is 2021. But Miss Kyler's only going to write the 2 last digits, that 2 and that 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and write the abbreviation. For January, I'm going to bring down that 8 because it's the 8th day of January, comma. Now all 4 digits, 2021. So on yesterday, we had been learning together and growing together for 76 days. Today is a brand new day, so let's go ahead and add one more square. And we see that now we have been learning together and growing together for 77 days. I'm telling you, flying by this school year. So here's that 2-digit number, 77, and here's how we write the word 77. 70, then 7. And we know that this is a two-digit number. There's a number in the tens place and a number in the ones place. And we see that the 7 is in the tens place, and there's also another 7 in the ones place. So first graders, we know that for this whole month, we are collecting money. So we know that we are collecting pennies and we're collecting dimes. So let's go ahead and say this together. Have you learned it yet? Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. So remember, a penny is the only money that we have that is brown. It's copper brown. And we're also over here collecting dimes, and this is the smallest size money we have. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. So let's go ahead and add to our graph. So first graders, here is our graph. On yesterday, we had a total of 4 dimes, and we had a total of 5, 6 pennies. So let's go ahead and see how many we are adding today. We are adding 2 more dimes. Let's go ahead. 1 and 2. And we see today that we have the same amount on both. Of both. We have the same amount of pennies and we have the same amount of dimes. There are no extras. Everybody has a partner here. Oops. Everybody has a partner. Awesome, awesome. Now here's the fun part. We are going to get ready to figure out how much money we have exactly on our graph. So let's go ahead and move all of our dimes down here for a moment so we can figure out just how many we have. And then we'll also move our pennies over here too. And we know that a dime is worth 10. So I'm going to go ahead and count by tens for each dime. And when we get to our pennies, we know a penny is only worth 1 cent, so we'll count on by 1. So let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now we're going to count on. So 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. So for this whole week, we collected 66 cents. And here's how we make the cents sign. It's a C with a line through it. Now, first graders, let's go back and get ready to go to finish up our class kick assignment. Now, my first grader, I need for you to get ready to close this video, click on that button, and start your class kick assignment. I love you, and I'll see you later.